Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books like this one, How to Draw Cartoons. This is my new one, Learn to Draw Cartoons, world's easiest cartooning book ever. It's easy, but the characters look good. They're not very simple looking and boring. So I will show you how to draw fun character types step by step that you can do that have personality. So today I want to show you an interesting character type where the hair obscures almost half the face. But that's the fun of it. It's meant to be like that. So let's start with kind of a skinny egg shape like this. It's a tall egg shape. And we're going to go loosely. And if you watched my videos before, and I hope you have, you'll know that I make adjustments as I go along. I don't believe in trying to make everything perfect just from the beginning. Don't put that kind of pressure on yourself. When you want it to look perfect, trace it over at the end. You don't have to do it right from the beginning. So here's a face. We're going to put the center line straight down here. And we're going to make the eyes a little low on the face, about like this. So that's going to be the eye line. And it's rounded because the face is round. It doesn't go just across. All right, so let's have nice big eyes that are kind of flat in the bottom, but rounded on the top. And we're going to put nice big pupils in the middle. And it make the character look toward you, the viewer, straight at you in other words, you're going to bring the pupils slightly together. If you don't, it makes it look like the character is just staring out into space. And if that's what you want, fine. But we don't want that today. We want it to look like it's looking at us. That's good. Notice that I'm making the top eyelid darker than the bottom eyelid. And we'll brush some eyelashes away this side also, away toward the outside. None on the bottom. You can if you want, but you don't need to. And nice flat eyebrows. Okay, now let's have just the covers of the nose on the either side equidistant to the center line. So it won't get lopsided that way. Now you put a little line here, which will give a smile on one side, a little smile. And then we will build the upper lip so it kind of crescendos in the middle. See, like that. And a thicker lower lip, just a little shadow underneath it. Now I'm going to make that chin a little shorter. It looks like it needs it. I'm making my adjustment now. It's not a big adjustment, but I think it helps. There you go. Let's give it a nice thin neck, not too skinny, but thin. Okay, now let's have this hair start here. This is the part, okay? And we're going to bring the hair around like this. And then have the ear and the earring like so. So it goes into the ear. And it's going to kind of wiggle this way, bump up, and I'm going to now erase some of that hard work, but you know, it's worth it because it keeps everything in line. Because now we have this eye just peeking out, but we know it's right because you did it without that hair masking it. And this side is going to come up also like that. Now let's build this out just a touch. Now I'll darken this in. And I'll erase the top egg shape like that. And let's darken this in. We're going to just add a little shadow between the neck and the hair. It kind of defines the hair and where the neck is. And a little bit of shadow underneath here. Now let's darken the pupil in a little bit with a little circle. And same thing with a lip and a little crease for the smile. And a little crease for the eyelid. Now let's add a little bit of shading here. Like so. And you've got it. There is a character that you say, wow, I see a lot of hair fall over one side of her face. That's cool. That's interesting. So it's got what I call the prominent feature. You want to have the prominent feature in your characters. People will notice it, and a character gets known for it. So again, if you want to see, well, actually this character and things like it, principles like it, please pick up my new book, Learn to Draw Cartoons, World's Easiest Cartooning Book Ever. Thank you so much for joining me. New videos uploaded every Monday. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.